Yung vlog na to, hindi ko alam kung saan patungo eh. Pero Vietnam tour to. Wala, alam pala pa to!
ช็อปต่อหรือพอแค่นี้บายบายค่ะ
Milyonaryo ko dito, pwede mo. Guys, nandito na kami sa Sapa. Ayun o. Nandito na kami guys o.
Okay guys, sa Sapa. Let's go.
So dito guys, malamig. Sa Sapa kami, sa Sapa. Pero walang tubig dito. Pero nasa Sapa kami. So guys, hinahanap na namin room namin. Angat dito! Ay, total! Here's our room guys. So this is my room with my girlfriend. 210. So guys, ayun yung view namin, no? What the view? Guys! Ang lupit! Alright, the bedroom. Ang lupit! Tapos yung view namin dito sa labas. Ayun na. Uy, ikaw yan, Ben? Ano ko na? Hi guys. Tutulog kami ni Ivan. Ayun na. Ayun na. Tawa ng tawa sa kabila. Ano ba?
望着你的表情，亲爱的，你能否告诉我，我怕有点可疑。
Ang gulo. Uy, ang ganda. Anong oras na? Alas 6 na. So lalabas kami. Yung vlog na to, hindi ko alam kung saan patungo eh. Pero Vietnam tour to. Hindi ko alam.
Hey, what's up guys? Kakatapos na nga yung pahinga sa about 2 hours.
Ayun o.
So ayun, napag-isip ko ni Kuya na luwas to muna.
Ayun, nagbablog din siya. Ako din, nagbablog ako. Mag-vlog ka? Mag-vlog ka na.
Magkakamukha na nangyayari.
Press rewind and start again. I wanna play that scene when we first met. Slow down time to watch you walking over, over, over. Silver screen perfection, golden earrings and hazel eyes. You were staring back at me, glowing in the night, calling all attention. I was overtaken by surprise. Now your face is all I see when I turn out the light.
Happy birthday, Tim Allen.
Lay awake till the sun comes up, thinking through every word that you said. I could wait forever just to hear your voice in my head.
Oh, I'm a vlogger now. Guys, kain na kami dito. Nakain kami dito sa food. Diyan o. Night market. Kakain tayo dyan ha.
Press rewind and start again. I wanna play that scene when we first met. Slow down time to watch you walking over, over, over. Catch myself bleeding home before it fades out to a life alone. Don't wait magic hours almost over, 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 over.
Yes! So guys, this is the end of day 1. So, tomorrow will be day 2. Tomorrow na lang. Good night guys. Okay guys, this is the day 2. Nandito kami sa rides. Ayan o. Kasi nag-rides kami. Tignan nyo may view. What a view! I love you! Ay! 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 Grabe nilala guys.
Ganda naman ako.
Ano sa'yo kanina yung pag sumigaw na hinto?
Sumakit yung lala mo ng paos.
Paos. Ito boy. Ano yung tawag? Ayan, umaandar yung sakyan. Pag guminto. Brake? Brake? Hindi.
Ano?
Pause. Pause. Yung gumawa ng cafe. Good view! So guys, dito na kami sa day 2 nga, no? So, ganyan, nag-grades kami. Tapos ngayon, ito. More on the view. Kinakabahan ng lahat dahil mukhang hindi maganda yung mangyayari. Mag-enjoy ba kami? O kakabahan kami? Hindi kayo mag-ano. Wala, alam pa na banda! Oy! 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 Sobrang taas.
Tapos yung pag-ikip natin, 3 minutes pa.
Grabe, tignan mo ito na. Yak, pakubay pa ako. Ay, gagi.
Everyone, I will forget where I belong. I faded into every shape. Now I believe in heartbreak. I'm trying hard to walk alongside. You know I like to use my own eyes. You know I got bricks in my soul, and I can feel it when they glow.
Guys, pauwi na kami guys. Bye! Thank you. Pauwi na kami guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. This is the day 3 sa Vietnam. May sasakay kami sa train na yun. Sasakay kami sa train together for us. Tambay. Day 3 namin tambay. Eh, sila. Tambay lang dito here. Guys, sasakay kami sa ano, cable car again.
Cable car.
Ay, hello, Angge. Hello.
Where we both belong. This
Wow!
Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher. Give me that love. Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher. Give me that love. Give me that love. Give me that love.
Sasakay kami ulit ng train. Sasakay tayong train, no?
Yes, yes,
Sasakay
train,
tayo.
train. Choo, choo.
Sasakay kami dyan, no? Ay, may video, may video.
Hello po.
May girlfriend ako guys, nakalimutan ko na siya. Nandun siya sa bahay. Thomas.
Ako muna girlfriend.
That is my girlfriend.
Yes.
Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher. Give me that love. Give me that love. Give me that love.
Guys, umakit kami ng sobrang taas. So, ito na yung last namin pupuntahan. Ito yung slide. Ayun na. Ganda niya sa dulo. Let's go.
Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher. Give me that love. Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher. Give me that love. Give me that love. Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher.
Guys, nasa bahay na kami. Ayan. So, sa hotel. So, tapos na yung tour namin dito sa Vietnam. So, ayan. Ayun lang. Gusto ko lang share sa inyo yung experience namin dito. So, ayan. See you na lang sa next tour. Bye guys!
Give me that move it or lose it. Don't stop, take me higher. Give me that love.
Hindi, napaka dapat ano siya, dapat hindi siya, dapat malakas dito.